Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to install QGIS on Windows 10 or 11. If you're ready, let's begin. First, type QGIS into the Google search bar and search. Click on the official QGIS website. Make sure you visit the official website. Unknown sources may contain malware. Then click the download button. Click the skip it and go to download button. Click the download button below where it says latest release and start the download. Download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click the installation wizard once to start the installation. Wait until the next button becomes active. Click it when it's active. Read the agreement and check the box indicating that you have read and agree. Then click Next. Click Next button again. Click Install and start the installation. Click Finish when the install is complete. To run QGIS, open the newly added QGIS folder on your desktop. Double-click QGIS Desktop and run it. I hope this tutorial video on how to download and install QGIS on Windows has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.